Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Clorox Wand Holder is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for maintaining a clean and hygienic bathroom, transforming a mundane cleaning tool into a discreet and accessible part of your home's aesthetic, ensuring that your Clorox wand is always within reach for those unexpected messes while keeping it neatly stored and out of sight, thereby enhancing both the functionality and the visual appeal of your space. Number 5. Clorox Toilet Wand Disposable Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Clorox Toilet Wand. It's a complete system designed for a sparkling clean toilet with every use. This disposable cleaning kit includes the wand, a convenient caddy, and plenty of refills. Everything you need is right here. Say goodbye to messy brushes. The disposable heads ensure a hygienic clean, and they simply click onto the wand. Each refill head is preloaded with Clorox cleaner. It effectively tackles tough stains and eliminates germs for a fresh bathroom. This case comes with 6 kits, providing you with a long-lasting supply. Keep your toilets consistently clean and fresh. Using it is as simple as dipping, swishing, and tossing. The included caddy keeps everything neat and accessible when not in use. What we like? This is a comprehensive solution for your toilet cleaning needs. It comes with everything you need to get started, including the handle, caddy, and refills. If you're looking for an all-in-one package that simplifies the entire cleaning process, this is the one for you. What people say. The holder is easy to install and keeps the wand off the floor. It's a great way to store the wand and keep the bathroom looking tidy. Number 4. Clorox Toilet Wand Toilet Bowl Cleaner System. Tired of messy toilet brushes? Discover the Clorox Toilet Wand, a revolutionary cleaning system designed for your bathroom. This all-in-one system includes a toilet brush, a convenient storage caddy, and 16 disinfecting refill heads. Keep your toilet sparkling clean with our powerful disinfecting formula. It effectively eliminates germs and grime with every use. Simply click a refill head onto the wand and scrub away. When finished, dispose of the used head for a truly touch-free experience. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher bathroom with minimal effort. The storage caddy keeps everything neat and ready for the next clean. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this innovative solution. It's the smart and hygienic way to maintain a spotless toilet. What we like? This option offers a powerful disinfecting clean with convenient touch-free refills. The included storage caddy keeps everything tidy and accessible. If you prioritize germ-killing power and a hygienic cleaning experience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It holds a wand and keeps it off the floor. It is a nice way to store the wand and keep it off the floor. This is a great way to store the wand and keep it off the floor. Number 3. Clorox Toilet Wand Disposable Cleaner Refills. Eliminate 99.9% of germs and viruses with our powerful cleaning solution. Keep your toilet truly clean and hygienic. Experience a completely touch-free cleaning process. Our system ensures a hygienic and convenient way to maintain your toilet. Enjoy the classic, original scent that leaves your bathroom smelling fresh. It provides a pleasant and clean aroma. These disposable refills make cleaning effortless. Simply use and discard for a hassle-free experience. Get a generous supply with our 30-count pack. This ensures you have enough for multiple uses, offering great value. Designed to work seamlessly with the Toilet Wand system. It's the perfect refill for maintaining a sparkling clean toilet. What we like? Focusing on powerful germ elimination, these refills are designed to kill a high percentage of germs and viruses. The touch-free design ensures a hygienic experience. If your main concern is sanitization and you prefer a traditional scent, these refills are ideal. What people say. The holder is designed to keep the wand upright and off the floor. It fits the wand perfectly and looks neat in the bathroom. The holder is easy to assemble and use, providing a convenient storage solution. Number 2. Clorox Disinfecting Wipes Flex Pack. Introducing Clorox Disinfecting Wipes Flex Pack. Keep your home clean and fresh with these powerful, bleach-free wipes. Our gentle yet effective formula is bleach-free, making it safe for use on various surfaces. Enjoy a clean home without harsh chemicals. The innovative Flex Pack design offers convenience and easy storage. It's perfect for on-the-go cleaning needs. Each pack contains 75 disinfecting wipes, providing ample supply for all your cleaning tasks. You'll have plenty to keep your spaces sparkling. Get a pack of 3 for exceptional value. This multi-pack ensures you're always prepared for spills and messes. Experience a refreshing clean with a pleasant fresh scent. It leaves your home smelling as good as it looks. What we like. This product offers a bleach-free cleaning option with a fresh scent, perfect for everyday messes. The Flex Pack design makes it convenient for various cleaning tasks around the house. If you need a versatile cleaner for surfaces and prefer a gentler formula, consider this. What people say. The holder is designed to keep the wand upright and off the floor. It has a sleek design that fits well in most bathrooms. The holder is easy to assemble and use. Number 1. Clorox Toilet Plunger with Hideaway Holder Caddy. Introducing the ultimate toilet plunger and holder set. It provides convenient access and discreet storage, perfect for any bathroom emergency. This heavy-duty plunger features a flange cup design. It creates a powerful seal to quickly clear even the toughest clogs. The smart storage caddy opens when you need it and closes when you don't. An internal drip tray keeps your floors clean and sanitary. Unclogging toilets is now easier with its ergonomic handle. Enjoy a comfortable grip that provides extra leverage for effective results. Its compact design fits perfectly next to your toilet. The non-skid rubber base ensures it stays in place, preventing tipping or sliding. What we like. This is a robust solution for plumbing emergencies, featuring a heavy-duty plunger designed for tough clogs. The Hideaway Caddy provides discreet and convenient storage. If you're looking for a reliable tool to tackle toilet blockages and appreciate a tidy bathroom, this is your go-to. What people say. The holder is designed to keep the wand upright and in place. It is easy to install and use, and it keeps the bathroom looking tidy. The holder is made of durable plastic and is easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.